Ae chere siwae ae tinzi lae ae le ga tuen ae shape ae site partuen ae Lai Tengyuchi
Tharing Thusong de la Khongsa Captain Chumbucho, Konglo Giju Yetu Pepe, Kumo Nambalenge la Tsamti Chesh de le Shupathang. Captain Chumbucho, Kuse Shapin Yempatang, Kugong Batam Jin to Bimelam Shu.
Tashidani, birthday wishes to His Holiness, prayers for your long and healthy life.
Germany ne promotes the Jesus Yana living tears living and Talo Lokundu Kong Konglo Getu Pepe, Tungalaya Kume, Samdi Tashle Mangoye, Gadinche, Tajana.
Gosaja da Tungatashile, and Jimbo and Sampo.
I take this opportunity to wish His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama of Tibet a very, very happy 86th birthday. Thank you.
Kinzin family ki simu sangmala ani khujin gumane ani sambe tash tele shu ani diringi yin thong chimji ti sogo demje khain sena ani ngaron za chawe lama hosa tembu chumchu kholo kichu la phebe kui thunga yin za ani gi sangmala sambe tash tele shu ki
tash tele makande eredenne kenu khons tembu chumchu kholo kichu la phebe kui thungar ki nimo formula tabache gen ta Gami cheken machenye tsamal samji tashdile shuwa kan yawarum kuche kege tebe tashimala.
Happy birthday, His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
Happy birthday to you
Samalo la tashi dele ni la tinzi yanki nga shijaru na chote ti stezi ni kana nga jaldi la deti ani thari nganji ni mo ke chumbi ngarang so khongsa kyamje chumbi ani khonglo geji ke tu ko thumba ni mo la tashi dele shubi ni ani khongko te chilo ni chilo temba ta na cha mayin pe meram shubi ni ani samalo ki wi chi ni changu chi ne de ma
tashi dele diring yawo bu chi ku thunga la changma la tashi dele yawo bu chi ko bu chi chilo pa temba show.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, His Holiness. Happy birthday to you. Kiring kun chunga ni modela ni changma la tu ye meram ye.
Khongsa cho kui thunga nimola chamje tash tele thang khongsa cho kuje thilo ni thilo tembe tashi min de thang shu
Malo tashi dele, nye mi la tenzi kusang ser, nga dadin pyugim lopta ni Khongsa cho khonglo geju de la samje tashi dele shubi. Khongsa cho kuje thilo ni thilo temba sho, che pyugelo. Tashi na.
Happy birthday, His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Wishing that you are in good health and sending love from Students for a Free Tibet in the UK.
Happy birthday, Your Holiness. May all your wishes come true. May you be blessed with great health and many more birthdays to celebrate with us. May your wish to return to Tibet come true as soon as possible.
I would like to wish His Holiness a very happy birthday and a wonderful year ahead of him.
고시 출로도 출로되마다 대시시 남성이 만난다 사쇼 간선주의 베르펜다이나 드레시데